on my bongo, sitting on it all day long. I'm sitting on the boat dock, playing with my bongo, playing on it all day long. Just watching the tide, waiting for you